guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to save Instagram Reels in gallery without posting. Right, so the normal procedure to actually save a video or download it is by trying to post it. That you can now save the video, but now the new feature has just been released whereby you can just click on this sign right here and click on that. Once you click on that, you can see download right there. You click on download and it's going to be downloaded and go directly into your gallery. So in order to get this feature, you make sure your Instagram app has been updated. It needs to be updated. So after a while, it's going to write finish downloaded. So let's go and update your Instagram app. So you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, search for Instagram. Instagram. If you're using light, you can click on like as well. Click on update and it's going to be updated. So you can now go to your gallery. Gallery. Yeah. So it hasn't been downloaded yet. So let's go back and see and do that one more time. So this is the video. Go back there and download. Okay. So it's supposed to show finish download. So you have to wait for that. Once it's written, you can go to your gallery and check for it. So that's how actually to download to your gallery. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and you can subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.